The term bail is defined under section 2B of the Sanhita as a temporary release of the person from prison during the pendency of the case. Now, this concept of bail is based on the presumption that every person is presumed innocent until proved guilty. Therefore, bail is a rule and jail is an exception. It means only under certain circumstances the court will refuse the bail and put the person into jail. And those circumstances can be where the offense committed by the person is a serious in nature, or where there are chances that the accused will tamper with the evidence or threaten the witnesses during bail on other circumstances. Now, the term bail is often confused with parole and remission. Now, let's understand the difference between the three. Now, bail, as we have studied, that it is a temporary release during the pendency of the case. It means the guilt of the person is yet not decided. Whereas, if the person is convicted by the court and he is given a sentence of imprisonment, at that time the concept of parole and remission comes into picture. Now, if the person is to be released for a certain time period due to existence of certain circumstances, can be the marriage of the convict, any family function, death of the family member, health reasons, or other circumstances. In that case, a person can be released for a certain time period on parole. Now, in that case, the sentence of the person is suspended for that time period. But accused need to come back to the jail after the expiry of the period of parole. Now, the third is remission. The benefit of remission is given when, after serving a certain time period, due to the good conduct and behavior of the convict in jail, a person is released from jail. The person is given a benefit of remission. In those cases, the leftover period of the sentence will be exempted and the person need not to come back to the jail to serve that remaining period. But remember that remission is given on a certain terms and condition. If the person fails to fulfill those terms and condition, in that case the benefit of remission can be cancelled and he can be called back to the jail to serve the remaining time period. Now, the concept of bail is governed by the provisions of Chapter 35 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, whereas the parole is governed by state rules and the Prisoners Act, and remission is governed by the provisions of Constitution of India, provisions of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and state rules.